Hi lovelies, welcome back to another Watch Me Work. So today I am starting off with a basic acrylic infill, but I've already prepped my client's nails, applied my primers and all that good stuff. Now I'm going in with my acrylic application. So I started off with a medium sized bead to the cuticle area, blended it into that cuticle area and sidewalls, make sure it was nice and flush, and then I pulled that bead to the stress point of her nails. And now I'm taking a small bead of my clear acrylic and I'm going to place it right where the other bead stopped, blend that into the acrylic that we just placed there, and now I'm going to pull it all the way to her free edge to create the entire structure of this nail. Now, the reason why I'm doing this, and yes, it is an infill, but it's practically a fresh set, because I went in and removed her entire design that she had on before because it was an encapsulated glitter design and she wanted it removed. So instead of soaking the nails off, which we didn't have to, I just filed down to that thin layer of my clear acrylic and I'm going to rebuild the structure of the nails before completing the design. Went ahead and did this to all her nails. I filed, shaped and buffed off camera. And if you guys by chance missed the video on how I prepare my clients' nails for an acrylic infill, I would have it on your screen right now in the cards above and also listed in my description box below. So I'm going to allow you guys to watch the rest of the acrylic application, which is not much, but I'll meet you guys right back with the design. So I wanted to share this with you guys. This is my acrylic application unfiled. So after the acrylic has set, I file, shaped and buffed, and now I'm going in with my MadamGlam's Perfect Black. So I applied 2 nice thin even layers of this black to 3 of her nails, curing in between each layer for 30 seconds in my LED light. So that was time for the fun part. So I'm taking this chrome flaky pigment from BeautyBig Bang, and this one is number 2. And I'm going to take my makeup sponge applicator and just press those flakes into the tacky layer of the black gel polish. When I'm happy with the placement, I did go ahead and take my finger to make sure that all those flakes were laid nice and flat. And I removed the excess chrome flakes with my fan brush. Now, if you guys missed my video review on these gorgeous flakies from BeautyBig Bang, I will have them listed in the cards above. I did swatch 12 of these pigments for you guys. They do carry 14 in total. So if you're interested, you can definitely go ahead and check that video out. So now I'm applying my no wipe gel top coat and I'm going to cap my free edge to make sure that all those chrome flakes are sealed in nice and tight. And I'm going to pop her hand into my LED lights and give it a full cure of 30 seconds. So now on her middle finger, I did apply my no wipe gel top coat and cured it when I cured the flaky nail. And now I'm going in with my Tones Chameleon Chrome pigment and I'm going to burnish this into that nail. Apply my no wipe gel top coat again and give it a full cure. This time I did cure it for 60 seconds just to make sure all my layers are fully cured and we don't have any issues. And now I'm going to take my white gel paint. Now for my gel paints, I love my Brill Birds Brush and Go. And I'm using my Ugly Ducklings Detailer #2 brush. And I'm just going to create some swirls on half of the nail. After I'm finished doing this, I am going to pop her hand back into the light and cure it for 30 seconds. So because the Brush and Go does cure nice and shiny without that tacky top, there is no need for an additional layer of my no wipe gel top coat. So I know you guys have been waiting for a minute to hear what my upload schedule is going to be, and I decided that it's going to be every Tuesday and Saturday at 6 p.m. Eastern time. So you guys can definitely tune in, and don't forget to turn your post notifications on, join the notification gang so that you don't miss it once I post it. So as usual, I forgot to press record when I was doing this nail. So what I did with the pinky fingers, I just created a fade with the chrome flakes. But now you see me here applying my no wipe gel top coat. I'm just showing you guys how it looks, and it is so gorgeous. And on her ring finger, I went in with 2 coats of my MadamGlam's Girl Power. Cure that and applied my gem gel, and now I'm just applying some Swarovskis and some gold micro beads. Gonna pop that back into the light for just about 15 seconds. Apply my no wipe gel top coat to seal my crystals in. And that was it for this design, guys. All I did was apply my cuticle oil, and I'll have a clip of the final result at the end of the video to share with you guys, along with some pictures. I really hope you guys enjoy this set as much as she did, and if you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comment section below which brand of chrome pigments right now are your favorites. I am personally really loving the BeautyBig Bang ones. They are excellent quality and very reasonably priced. Okay guys, that is it. If you do enjoy my videos and you're not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? You know what to do. Go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. And as always, I'd love for you guys to keep safe, and I'll definitely be seeing you soon.